COVID-19, busting some myths. From colloidal silver to essential oils, myths continue to abound on social media about homegrown remedies to treat or prevent COVID-19. Myth: the acid in our stomach kills the virus if we drink enough water. The stomach has nothing much to do with the virus, and the acid in the stomach would play no role either. Myth: the Indian immune system is better than the West, and thus Indians will survive COVID-19 infection better. For a virus that our bodies have not seen before, such as the novel coronavirus, it doesn't seem likely that there should be any component of immunity that might protect Indians but not others. Myth: warmer climates or weather will kill the virus or prevent it from spreading. There is little we know to suggest that it will go away because the weather became warmer or wetter. Myth: if I am young and healthy, I don't need to follow precautionary steps or social distancing. While you might manage to beat the infection, think of those around you who may be elderly or infirm or simply have weaker immunity. Myth: COVID-19 can be treated by colloidal silver, vitamins, teas, and essential oils. There is no evidence for any special role for colloidal silver, vitamins, teas, and essential oils in dealing with COVID-19. COVID-19 reminds us that we live in an interconnected, interdependent world, and that diseases caused by animal viruses crossing over to humans are at least one consequence of the destruction of natural habitats and the illegal trade in wild animals. Controlling these will ensure that we provide ourselves happier, healthier lives as well as leave the next generation a better world. Video made by Pictory.ai from article by TIFR.